Hi there, this is Amy Cuenca, and you are watching my 2-minute tech tip video on the Screencastify extension. This is technically a 3-minute tech tip, as I had to add in a few other details since many of you are planning to use Screencastify as a tool while your schools are using non-traditional instruction. Screencastify will allow you to maintain visual contact with your students and their families during non-traditional instruction, and provides an avenue for flipped lessons where you can share a slideshow or your screen while recording your voice and webcam. So let's get started for our 3-minute tip. In order to use Screencastify, you first need to visit the Google Chrome Web Store. Once you are in the web store, search for Screencastify and click the blue Add to Chrome button. Once it has been added, you will see the Screencastify symbol appear in your extensions bar at the top of your Google Chrome page. Anytime you want to use the extension, you will need to click the icon, and the first time you use it, you will need to set up your account. Click Sign Up with Google and follow the steps. Be sure to checkmark the camera, microphone, and drawing and annotation tools, and allow Screencastify the additional permissions it needs in order to function correctly. After you go through the appropriate steps to sign up, you are ready to record. Click on the Screencastify icon where you can see your various options, including sharing your browser tab, desktop, or using the webcam only. You will need to allow the default microphone and webcam. You can also change the amount of time you get for the recording countdown. I recommend at least 5 seconds so you can get your screen set up and ready to go for sharing. After you are ready to record, click the record button, and if you have chosen to share your desktop, it will ask you to choose between sharing the entire screen or just the application window. Click the one you prefer to share, and after it is outlined in blue, click the blue share button. The countdown will begin and you can start recording. At this time, you can share your slideshows, move between tabs, and even use the drawing tools. When you are finished, click the Screencastify icon and stop the recording. It will immediately take you to a preview page where you can watch your video, get a shareable link, or share it out through your Google Classroom or publish to YouTube. If you do not like the recording, just click the trash can in the top right corner and try again. Now, what if you only want to record yourself in the webcam and not share your screen? Follow the same steps to start a recording and click the icon for webcam only. Then click record and the countdown will begin. Make your recording and preview it before sharing it out via link, Facebook, or YouTube. So how do you find the Screencastify videos you have created? When you create your Screencastify account, a folder was automatically added to your Google Drive. In that folder, you will find all of your Screencastify videos and can share those just like you would any other Google Drive file. Be sure to check the share settings depending on the audience you want to be able to view your video. Keep in mind that your students can use Screencastify as well to share their learning or create presentations. After you try out Screencastify for yourself, please let me know what you think, and definitely share examples from your class and tag me on Twitter. I can't wait to see what you and your students create.